Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. I'm here with another video, and today I'm going to show you some fruits and vegetables that I go up from, and I'm also going to show you how I used to use them. So what is going on here? We have plantain. This is plantain. We have coconut. I'm going to show you how I cut this one to drink it in a minute. We also have a few breadfruit. These breadfruits is pretty small. This is nothing. This is really small. All right. We also have soursop. We also have potatoes. We also have sapodilla. We have mango. We have yam. We have a fig. We have Tanya. We have coconut. We have lime, lemon, garlic, turmeric. We also have abashi, and we also have simas. And we also have cane. We also have cane. Love me some cane, man. I remember just going, you used to have some patch with cane, and you just going in, and you just breaking cane, and you just eating cane all day, man. So, man, I'm telling you, just so amazing too. So to able to sit back here with this type of food, this is the food we know, this is the food we grow up off of. And I'm gonna tell you something with this type of food. This type of food give you energy. They boost your system. Really. No, you can eat this food, and hours after, you don't need anything. You know, these days you eat some food, and then when you catch yourself, you realize, damn, I'm hungry again. Not here. So we have the potato, and we have Tanya. This is potato. This one is the potato, sweet potato. This is Tanya. This also Tanya. When you cook this type of food, you could also steam them. You could steam them with plantain. You could steam plantain, ripe plantain, Tanya, sweet potato. Many other things you can actually use with this. And when you eat this, because it's solid food, it boosts you, man, and it have you going for hours. So this type of food is really good food. We also have the avocado, and we know we use the avocado for many things. You could make oil with the avocado. You could use the seed and make oil. It's so much, but everything I have here is loaded with benefit. Everything I have is loaded with benefit. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. I don't have the right tools, but I'm going to show you guys a little. We have our choppy, something looking like this. And what we're doing, we actually, it ain't going to be perfect, guys, but I'm just trying because I want to give you guys an idea about this type of life. You wake up in the morning and you could get one of these. This one have young jelly inside. So this is a really nice one. You wake up in the morning and this is really sweet, man. This is sweet natural coconut, not the one in the box. This is directly from the tree and into coconut is also good to clean out our system. I'm going to show you what I use coconut juice for as well. Okay, give me a minute. I'm going to throw some inside this glass. All right. And I'm going to drink the rest, man. Delicious. Wow. Naturally delicious. This one have a soft jelly inside. So usually, this one is sweet. Really sweet. Wow. So usually, after drinking the coconut, you could bust it down and you could look inside. And this one, the jelly is pretty thin. So what we used to do, we used to take this and scrape it out like that. You see, you could naturally see the jelly. Man, this thing is good. The jelly was now forming. But my goodness, tasty. Trying to eat real food. This is what we're doing, man. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.